Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and you're watching this video guys because you're trying to find a working method of getting free Amazon gift card codes, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today in this tutorial. This method is going to get you a redeemable gift card code for Amazon, and when you redeem it, it's going to give you, I believe it's $100. It possibly could be $150. We will check that. So basically guys, you need to use your mobile phone and open up a browser on your phone. You can see here I'm using a Safari browser on an iPhone. It's actually an iPhone 10, but it doesn't matter what phone or browser you use. And you need to go to this website guys, www.wavycoupons.com. So pause the video, copy this address because you need to go to Wavy Coupons guys. Make sure you go directly to this website. And if you haven't seen this website before, you're going to be very impressed guys. They have so many different pages, pretty much dedicated to save you money on anything you want. So you're looking for this Amazon page. You can either look for it manually or you can go to search and punch in Amazon, and it should just pop up Amazon gift card codes and coupons. Click on this page. You can see guys there are over 1,000 codes remaining, so don't panic if you find this video a while after I've uploaded it. So scroll down and you can see guys there are multiple different options you can choose on this page. There's gift card codes, there's promo codes, even Amazon Prime if you want. Oh, it's actually $150, so that's cool. It's a $150 Amazon gift card code. And you can also see it's been rated quite highly, 3,000 plus times. So choose the code and click on show coupon button, and this is going to pop up guys. Basically you can see we need to unlock the coupon code, which is completely normal. Obviously these are worth a pretty penny, so you have to unlock your personal code. So tap this button here. I'm high on coffee at the minute guys. I've drunk so many cups of coffee today. I think I'm addicted at this point. Okay, so now you're going to see this page that says Code Unlocker. You may have seen a page like this before, but if you haven't, don't panic. It's super easy, guys. Basically, we just need to follow the instructions on the screen, and it says here, complete 2 of the free offers below, and it basically, this verifies you're not a robot. So you can see on my screen, I have a bunch of different offers that are all completely free. You can see on the right side here, and basically you can see we have some games that you have to like sort of download and play until a certain level. Alternatively, you have like these questionnaires as well. This one's for Shein. It says enter your email and complete the steps. So let me just click on that to show you what this one is. So basically it's going to ask me some questions, and I need to basically input my valid and correct email address to confirm I'm a real person. So I'm gonna pause the video whilst I complete 2 of those offers, and then when I return we can see if it gives me the Amazon code. So yeah, give me a few minutes. Okay guys, so I just spent a few minutes completing a couple of these free tasks on this page. I downloaded this game at the top, this Family Island one, and I had to basically download it and complete level 8. So I had to play the game until I completed level 8. And then I just finished off this survey at the bottom, had to answer some questions, input my email, and basically that was pretty easy. So now I've completed 2 of these. I'm gonna press this tabs button down here, and now I've got this Amazon coupons tab. So if you see this tab, you've done everything correctly. If you do not see this tab, you may have done something wrong, so just do complete a couple of those free offers. Open that up, and yes, it's now revealed my Amazon gift card code. So this is a simple code that I can redeem on my Amazon account. it's going to give me $150 or whatever that is in your local currency. It just translates to whatever currency you use. I'm going to be using this one in a minute, guys, so you're going to need to go and get your own at www.wavycoupons.com. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, because I plan on making many more videos that are going to save you cash. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.